Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send crypto on Venmo. So, let's get started. First, open your Venmo app and log in with your credentials. Next, tap on the Crypto tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll manage all your cryptocurrencies. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to send. Once you've selected your crypto, tap on the double arrow button, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's information. Tap on the recipient's name. On the next page, type in the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Venmo will automatically calculate the equivalent value in your local currency. Double-check the recipient, amount, and any fees before you proceed. Once you're satisfied, tap Send Bitcoin to confirm the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully sent crypto on Venmo. It's a quick and easy process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.